Hello everyone, we're from Group 6 that consists of Ari Longtapea, Sabina Regina Putri Sinaga, Daka Elian, Dewi Rialtifah, Diki Prasetya Andra Putri, Wayan Ayu Putri, and Lutfia Agustina Hidayah will be presenting about Observe and Lazada Leaks topic. The first slide will be presented by Dewi Rialtifah. Dewi, please.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. I will explain the case about Lazada Data Lakes. User data of financial technology company aggregator Sermation e-commerce Lazada was hacked. Based on research by Palo Alto Network, these two sectors are indeed being targeted by hackers. The breach of 2.9 million Sermiti user data was revealed by the founder of the Indonesian ethical hacker community, Teguh Arianto, via Twitter. The hack information include full name, address, mobile phone number, account, occupation, population identification number, expired identification number to the name of the user biological mother. This data is worth for US $2,200. Thank you.
Okay, Dewi, thank you for your presentation. The next slide will be presented by Sabina Regina Putri Sinaga. Sabina, please.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Besides Sermati, e-commerce company Lazada detected that 1.1 million user data of its online supermarket Redmart was hacked. Hacked last week, 29, and we discovered an incident related to that data security in Singapore, which involved a special database of Redmart. A spokesperson told katadata.co.id Sunday 1/11. User data that was burglarized in the form of names, phone numbers, email address, password, and some of the user's credit card numbers. This information is then sold by hackers online. Even so, Lazada noted that the leaked user data was more than 18 months out of date. The company updated the information in March 2020. It also made sure that customer data in Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, was not affected by the incident. The Alibaba subsidiary also blocked unauthorized access to user database. The company is also working with the authorities to crack down on hacker in addition, strengthening the security. Co-founder of Search Andi Kusnandar admitted that user data was leaked after detecting an unauthorized access to the platform. The company, together with the National Cyber and Password Agency or BSSN, an internal cyber security expert immediately investigated, then removed that unauthorized access on the platform to secure user data. We inform users about hacking and continue to urge them to carry out security measures periodically and detail katadata.co.id.
Okay, thank you, Sabina. The next page will be read by myself. The company also requires all users to implement two-factor authentication when logging in. This is to prevent unauthorized access to related accounts. He said Cermati is also strengthens the security system by developing an information technology or IT, architecture and application programming, interface or API that is resistant to cyber attacks. The Fintech aggregator provides financial service such as loans, credit cards, insurance, deposits, and electronic money or e-money. Every month, there are about 5 to 6 million visitors to the platform. Okay, the next slide will be read by Dinda. Dinda, please.
Thanks, moderator. Yeah, thanks, moderator. Okay, the Indonesian Civil Research Institute Information System Security Research Center conduct an analysis of case of debt rate experienced by the Lazada and Cemati marketplace sees in the debt a requirement of cheers said regarding the news of the leak of Lazada user data, it must be underlined that the debt breach or debt layer in the RIPMAT system, which is in the under Lazada. The RIPMAT system had been integrated since 2019 when the company was acquired by Lazada in 2016. Lazada itself claimed that the debt leak they experienced was only in remote database. The problem is due to illegal access that may come from third-party hosting, which was last updated in 2009. It is known that the leak of 1.1 million is also only readmade that, but the information is quite fair and there is even credit card debt. Lazada tells users to become auto it is recommended to check password.
Okay, thank you so much, Dinda, for your presentation. The next two slides will be read by Wayan Ayu.
Okay, thanks moderator. Cybersecurity firm its type provides advice for data management companies following the leaks experienced by Remark, Lazada, and Charmenti. The first approach from the security side of the system for mitigation is to create a fake database so that hackers are wrong targets for attacks. Fake database are used to keep the real database safe from attacks. If data leaks occur, the second approach is for companies to have a threat intelligence system capable of tracking and analyzing attacks. Next. E-commerce and fintech are target for hackers. Cybersecurity research from the Communication Information System Security Research Center (CISSREC) Pratama Prasada said e-commerce and fintech were targets for hacking because of the large amount of user data being managed. For the Cermati case, the data were taken from the activities of 70 companies. He considered the data is very dangerous if leaked and in-depth investigation through digital forensics is needed, where security holes that result in data leak. Cite Pratama S. from a press release Tuesday.
Thank you, Ayan, for your presentation. The next slide will be read by Diki Prasetya.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Likewise, with Lazada, user data with is sold for years to 105,000 on the dark web. Even when it was checked at the National Right Forum, someone had already sold it. Said Pratama that expensive data could be exploited by hackers to sell to advertising business. In addition, it can be a raw material for fraud and other crime. Making burglary can be started with the capital name, address, email, and mobile phone number. Is that especially if the hacked data is the user credit card with a little touch of social engineering and impresses banking officer. Cybercrime can take some money from victim, therefore credit card data must be active with a PIN and verification code or one-time password, OTP, SMS. In additional, every transaction must be verified.
Thank you so much, Diki. The next slide will be read by Dakelian.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Prior to Lazada, Bukalapak user data was hacked last year. Pakistan hackers claim to have stolen the data of hundreds of millions of accounts from 32 sites. One of them is Bukalapak, which is 31 million account. In early May, the data of 91 million Tokopedia user was also reportedly hacked and sold to dark sites of the dark web. This issue was first revealed by a Twitter social media account named _under Taberage. The hackers claimed to already have data of 15 million Tokopedia user accounts in raw form, as including names, emails, and password. Then Benika.com was reportedly hacked by hackers named Sydney Hunters. Hackers claim to have 1.2 million Beneka user data.
Thank you so much, Dakelian. The next slide will be read by Lutfi Agustina Hidayah.
Okay, thank you for moderator. From the fake sector, more than 800,000 Credit Plus consumer data leaks on internet fraud leaks July. Information leak in the form of name, ID card, email address, job status, and of death based wait, based on risk by the Indonesia faces extortion 20, 20 22% of payment fees apply for and 18% of my uh, 95% of 154 50 admin that slide that editor raised by full older network that 66% of 400 400 responding as that e-commerce plans had the for to be component that seek to said digital payment system have the turning to be hacked. Response server health core management procedures rel to information technology IT in Thailand, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Singapore. This the server which conclude for six in until 15 February, there is an insert in the as of digital payment server and e-commerce in Indonesia. When server that estimate that two sectors have the potential to experiment cable text said computer management manager Indonesia fallout network so Sinom during a press conference last July. System ignore Indonesia Auto Network Yudi Arianto at the e-commerce plans for store other personal data include credit card. That data are tagged by hacker in addition to e-commerce hacker target government system and help for the feed until website the sys that become a, a references about COVID-19 become the target of cyber attack but
Alright, guys. I think that's a wrap for our presentation today. We are fully thank you to everyone who participated in this presentation. And if we have an word error, we feel sorry for that. And at last but not least, thank you.